guys, I want to show you my steam mop that I got. I had this a little while and I do really like this thing. I have, as you can see, LVP floors all over the place, and I like that. What I like about this is that you don't. It does when you clean the floor, which you, especially this color of a floor, you have to clean it all the time. But it doesn't take that long for it to dry, which is wonderful. And it really does a pretty good job cleaning up like everyday mess with it. You know, it's really nice. I want to show you the back. Kind of does what it wants to do in a sense. I have to get used to it. But I want to show you the back, which has the water filter in it. And it also has this little top thing that you can put water in. It says to use distilled water in it. But sometimes I do, most times I don't. But I just want to show you now that it's blinking. Now let's see. It's blinking, so it's about ready. Now I'm going to press this, turn it on, and the steam is going to start coming out. So give it a second. So once the steam gets going, it gets going. I press it, and there it goes. It starts to clean the floor. It starts to get hot, and it starts moving. You can press this handle up here, this handle right here. So this handle, you press that, and the steam will come out when you press it. As you can see, there's steam on there, and it comes right out. And I love that. Love that you can do this and dry the floor at the same, it doesn't take long at all for the floor to be dry. And it's beautiful. It looks really good when I'm finished with it. It takes no time at all. It does have the cord. It really has the cord, but it's still pretty good. You really don't, if I don't want to pull out the mop and everything, go through a whole lot of changes, I can use this and get most of my house done with one canister basically of water. So look at that. It is just cleaning it really nicely. Definitely love this thing. I want to stop it. When you press it, you get it back up and it stops. I want to show you that it has these what do you call it, mop heads basically on it, and I put these in the washing machine when I'm finished with them. I stick them in the washing machine, and there they go. I mean, I really do like this thing. So it just sputtered all over the place, so I'm going to just clean it up. I'm going to get back on and clean it up. Let's see. All right. Get it right up. It's sputtered because I picked it up. But the thing is just magnificent. Magnificent. I really enjoy this steam mop. I'm glad I got it for myself. I love it in the bathroom. It sanitizes very well in the bathroom and everywhere else you want you need it to be the floors to be sanitized, and you really don't want to use harsh chemicals on the floor. You just want to get your floor clean with hot water, hot steam. So there's nothing like it. I really like this, and if you're looking for one, you will see it down below.